So, we all love using our brushes to beat our faces, but the most annoying part is when you have to wash and care for them. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I wash and care for my brushes for a bacterial-proof, shed-proof result. And I usually wash my brushes once in every 2 weeks, and this is the recommended length you can use them before washing. Using dirty brushes can result to storing of bacteria, and in the end, you will end up breaking out, especially if you have a problem skin. So for my bacterial proof brush routine, I love to use an antiseptic disinfectant solution. This brand is called Dettol and it can be purchased from any health or pharmaceutical store of your choice. This is so good because it kills 99% germs and leaves your brushes absolutely bacterial proof. You can also use it to bathe, clean and do so many other things. So with this solution, I like to just use half cup of it and then add about 1 cup of water in a jar and mix them together. Then I like to use this ultra light cleansing oil from Neutrogena. This helps dissolve any tough makeup like waterproof makeup, dirt and oil. And then I like to use a liquid soap. This one is antibacterial too and kills 99% germs. These 3 products are like a must for me, you guys, whenever it's time for my brush cleaning routine. So once I've mixed everything together, I like to soak my brushes in the mixture for about 5 to 10 minutes. Leaving it in there will help dissolve any makeup like foundation, powder, and will make it easier for when I have to scrub them. Like sometimes I have a lot of tough makeup like tough foundations inside the brushes. This just helps a lot to dissolve and just get them ready for washing. While the brushes are soaking, I'm going to set up my drying rack, and this one I bought it from AliExpress I think like 4 or 5 years ago, and it's so durable and gets the job done. Like it's so easy to use. You just set it up as you guys can see I'm doing right here, and this makes it so much easier for when you're drying your brushes. So this is the brush cleaner mat I love using to scrub my brush bristles. It's from Sigma and is amazing. I love to use the different sides and angles. Like as you all can see, it comes with different sides and angles, which makes it so much easier for scrubbing my brush. Like I find that using my hands to wash my brush bristles doesn't really get the job done so well. So this is just perfect. And once you begin scrubbing, you will see the remaining residue from the brush. Like you will literally see it coming off. Sometimes when you're scrubbing, you will just see all the foundation, everything will just be running down the brush bristles. And once I'm done, I'm just going to dry off the water. As you guys can see, I like to kind of shape the brush, and once you're all done, you will notice that the brush is like bright, you know, it becomes like white, you guys. And I'm just going to repeat the same step, and as you all can see, you just scrub, you rinse, and everything just comes out so good, guys. Okay, so over here, once I'm done washing the brushes, I like to go in immediately and use a clean towel to dry, you know, the brush, like the bristles, because if you leave it, notice that the water from the bristles of the brush starts to sink into the brushes, you know, and this results to shedding. And also, as you all can see, while I'm drying my brushes, I like to keep it upside down. When you keep your brushes, like when you put it head up, the water from the bristles will start going down, and that results to a lot of shedding. So you don't want to do that. You definitely need a rack or something that will help you keep your brushes like face down. That will really help a lot. And over here, of course, I'm using the same solution to you know, to wash my makeup sponges, and it does such an amazing job. And the solution, once I'm done with the first one, I just, you know, make another solution. It's not just that first solution, you guys, like I used to wash the whole brushes. And yeah, once I'm done washing them, this is exactly how they look, and I normally leave them for 24 to 48 hours. It all depends. Okay, so here we are. This is 24 hours after I washed my brushes. They are all dried, and I like to use this. I think these beads I bought from either IKEA. I can't really remember where I purchased the beads from, and also the glass bowl. I can't remember where I got them from, but I love to use this to store my brushes, you guys. When you add beads inside the container, it just makes it so much easier for your brushes to stand. And yeah, that is all there is, you guys. This is exactly how I care and wash and take care of my brushes. And yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below if you did enjoy, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video very, very soon. Bye.